Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the ultimate relaxation experience with the hanging chaise lounge chair swing, perfect for your porch, backyard, or any outdoor space. This high-quality, heavy-duty swing is crafted from curved steel, ensuring durability and comfort while you enjoy the soothing motion of a swing. Ergonomically designed, it offers both comfort and leisure, making it a delightful addition for the entire family. With its easy setup, you'll have this swing lounger ready in just minutes, providing a fun and relaxing spot for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or even a day at the beach. The adjustable rope design allows you to customize the height and angle, ensuring the perfect fit for your back and feet according to your preferences. Whether you hang it from a tree or a hammock, stand, this versatile swing chair is ideal for any outdoor setting, from poolside patios to garden retreats. Experience the perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality with this exceptional chaise lounge chair swing. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.